Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to your girl cooking with Tammy. Want to see how to make a delicious honey brown sugar glazed ham? Well, look no further. I'm about to show you how to make such a delicious ham. It's going to impress everybody this holiday season. So with all of that being said, let's introduce these ingredients and get to cooking. First on up, as you can see, is our spiral sliced ham. Now, ham comes in so many different variations. Some are cooked, some are not cooked. Be mindful as to what it is that you want and what you prefer. This ham right here is hickory smoked, and we also have our pineapple juice along with brown sugar, honey, Dijon mustard, butter, and that's unsalted butter. The ham is salty enough, along with the ham packet, but however, we don't need this packet right here. So guess what? We're tossing it and you're out of here. Let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First thing we're going to do is remove this ham from this package. And there's a secondary package. We're going to cut the second package off as well. And this ham is really juicy, so I'm going to drain it off some more. Place it into my casserole dish. I'm going to cover it on down with aluminum foil. I'm just going to heat it up or cook it a little bit more for an additional 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the meanwhile, we are going to work on making our saucy sauce. Yes. So to a nice hot skillet, we are going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. Allow that butter to melt. Followed by our honey. And quick tip, if you're going to be adding your honey to a measuring cup, when it's time to pour it out, it could be a little bit difficult to get it out. So what you need to do is add a little bit of nonstick cooking spray to the measuring cup prior to adding the honey. We're also going to add our pineapple juice. Mix it up really well. We're going to add our light brown sugar. It's been sitting for a little while, so it's a little clumpy, but we're going to combine it really good. And we're going to add our Dijon mustard. At this point, it seems like the mustard is not going to combine with the saucy sauce, but no worries. Once everything starts to come to a slow simmer, everything is going to break down. It's been about 5 minutes later, and as you can see, our sauce is starting to reduce slightly. And guess what? There's no more mustard. Sauce is smelling really, really good. And I want the sauce to thicken up a little bit more and even quicker. So we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch and water to this mixture. And the great thing about adding cornstarch versus flour is the cornstarch is going to give it a nice glazed effect, which is so beautiful when it comes to presentation. Oh my goodness. Sauce has definitely reduced and thickened up just the way we need it. So we're going to turn our stovetop off. Remove the ham from the oven. Looking good. And we're going to add some of our sauce to the ham. All right, we're going to add that delicious saucy sauce to the ham. Make sure you get all of those layers. Perfect. And we're going to place it back into our oven. Yes, it's going to remain at 350 degrees Fahrenheit because we want our sauce to become nice and sticky. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. We're going to add that remaining saucy sauce once again. The sauce is thickened up even more, but that's a-okay. We are going to take this delicious saucy sauce and pour it onto this ham and make sure to get all of those secret layers. And we're going to place it back into the oven one final time for an additional 15 minutes. And this is what your delicious honey brown sugar glazed ham should look like. When I tell you absolutely delicious, guys, trust me on this one. This recipe is nothing to play with, and of course, using basic ingredients. As always, I'm your girl cooking with Tammy, and I would definitely catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.